Biology at Alfred University offers amazing opportunities. There are so many different internship opportunities while you're in school, like being an SI and being a lab tech, and the staff here sets you up for so many different opportunities after you graduate. The classes in the biology department also set you up for success. Right now I'm taking junior seminar, where we're mainly focusing on resume building and the writing of cover letters and personal statements, something I wouldn't have been able to do without this class. And the staff in the biology department is absolutely amazing. It's actually like a small family here, and everyone knows my name and everyone cares.
Alfred University Biology Department has given me the opportunity to perform independent research in a subject area that I love, surrounded by faculty who know the field very well and are committed to helping me grow academically and individually.
I was placed into a 155 Foundations class that included a lab component. We went outside and gathered soil samples, and then we're trying to isolate antibiotic-producing bacteria. And we had the potential to discover new antibiotic-producing bacteria, which is something that could actually have an extremely positive impact on the world. And to do that as a freshman, it's just unbelievable. I'm learning so many new skills that I'm going to be able to use in the future, like plating, microscope, staining. It's just amazing.